omampanyini ema 120 days contract with Ghanaians.
Yes.
So BHA so you know one Ghana for nyina be kasa and as part of enema na we within the 120 days you know a code of conduct. MPP a press conference na about 3-4 days ago and a PMMC now Gold Board acting chief executive officer lawyer Sami Jemfi eko ye biase ko shia obi nipa SN and DD hu se wo kan sika ana dollars na jodi che nipa na e hu nsem be yebo now minority ese sa de na ye lawyer Sami Jemfi aye no e ade a etia mana code of conduct no mampanyini e de aba na chese see the wa ye no from nti ese ye na di as a member of parliament who was me say
on press conference now mo ye the cancer asem I was say o no kra na o say code conduct on was her press conference na say me come asem nwa minority for now mo ye press conference no modua obi anfa na yere ne ma modua say press conference omo ye nyina ye omo ntua na omo
tua mahefo
oh twakai me gana ha no kra pa na ye problem wo krom ha azan ni like omo ye press conference no omo de na emma abonten o say bia wa mo obiska enti mo nche sika mo ye press conference no mo nche sika
omo chama mahefo
obi ya wusia na MP me as MP say me be piano pa this I will come bank on back de bia me hwe small note nti omunya small note share that from say 2020 about 10 about because unam kromu a abeya nom nkofo be sra wade you have to dash people
but we don't say $1 so
yen no obisika ya we ko wi abansika code of conduct na da ho na obi ade ye dede no ya twe wom say wo che obi ade a ye be twe na say wo koje ade a ne
ye che wade more than 20,000
say ye twe say wo che obi ade a ye problem wo say yen use den na nkofo mpese ye be use ade a ye friend say emra wa wo use code of conduct no code of conduct yen twe wom say mo obi a nche obi ade me de me Sami Jemfi na me nhira no wa ya ade wa boa me enra me na ma na me hia me constituency fo bi na mo ba honorable ewie mu ye pa bi ma say
mo pese e baby
unti ne aba sisi abanse mi nche ska me chemu ska wa ha ye de me be ko police bo ba chemi e te me de twetwa me ho
nti na mo ntimu de bo mo
na say me mo bi nche obi ade na say what be that obi enam no we share obi na wa che na de how the whole Ghana for 3 days the problem is say obi a che obi ade
but baby so mo gina mo de
me
yentua na ka obeye ejuma no
yentua na ka say Sami Jemfi before obeye ejuma no onte airport
so na ma for say oh sir
Sami Jemfi before obeye ejuma we NDC for ya de ma anya ade NDC for anya you're throwing your own person under the bus the youth NDC for youth na mo social media me asama me ka no he wo twa audio social media nipa be 10 na be comment on be maybe the whole Ghana kwabrocho obi a hwe me me comedy no wi akodi matam
what do you mean so much throw
you are throwing your person under the bus NDC for want mo petse mo kase Sami Jemfi ebecha ade wo krum ha gisi etua ne ka in the election all che motorbikes across the country no enu mo ehu etua ne ka wo go board
besides na say on make nya position no odidi no wo position
okay meba
no odidi
okay meba the whole Ghana say no me hu say Kristo nti no kure ni krum ha say de dua bonko a media for mo krum ha nyina mo ka Sami Jemfi asem obian bo dua say Sami Jemfi Ember TV so for 8 years in opposition or kwa wa sort boys in out Sami Jemfi sort everybody out media ni bi obeka bibia wa bo hu dua because we dibi before Sami Jemfi beba power mon ka no kure me Sami Jemfi osham no chebiska me abeka wa so eno me hu Sami chebiska wa wonti ase no
so so beka na sa na o san de no sa kwa
na wa chebiska mo media for no na mon ka no kure na me hu na mo ye story oh we na ba etimi chiriga nipa na yakeka nsem na Kennedy Agyapong de woni ne yade obekwa akoka woni obi wunim se woni obi ekuri aponchi wi a wo ka kire nkofo nsa akwa we yo pemponchi wi a ene aponchi wura bete aponchi wura bete
ye nyina na ya
ye nyina ekuri aponchi wi a wo na ma se o abena de wi a pemponchi wi a de ene aponchi wura bete men kwa kasa abena de woni ne yade na wakoka wo so koka asa asem ne ye den obi enu ho pure water special ICB nam the veins obi aye nipa obi a obebi amekoko a eye ne ya what as a media from okrom ha nyina all of you for 8 years in opposition me feel ha kan ha me feel ni mumbo bi ase sami jenfi emba studio a ansa sami be fi ho no everybody will be sorted. That is Sami Jenfi's life. Everybody for 8 years in opposition. There obi we media ni na Sami Jenfi unya an encounter with him beka. Hey, na mo de obi chese mo pese obi a ti ho no na dwe nyina se otwen obi down for. Sami Jenfi and Fiase. Or Fiase a good one here be ma. Now, do you think say opposition say Sami Jenfi and she because now what can Cecilia opposition for you
party
opposition for you and no more press conference me show opposition for you press conference no more kasa me show mu din ba ku wom Sami Jenfi a che $800 into wo etumi to ka free be press conference wo baby mama 2 kwan a otena first class
no
baby mama to first class.
I want no baby mama na kasa ye.
Oh yeah, duma wo to ana o duma GM na wo baby mama ye duma to meet na first class. Mr. Media Feed obi a in opposition not airport was in lawyer ni Ghana ha ohia ye mo akondo too much. Ohia ye mo fe. Enta ma ya ma oman we obi nye skape no de akoto dan wa abrochire because ye face can interact because mo mpe no kre A+ menyeska matomeka metim sisi ko MP wakotoka akwa na ote bicycle so na okọ no watodan wa buchi mo de na da Ghana for na da ye mo fe too much ubenya Kennedy Agyapong me de me politician no me wo sika me sika nie fa no asa na akwa na onka nkyerɛ so wo sika unim sika owa wo yembe hyew unim sika owa enti mo bi a oka no kora no ma ne ho ye wakono Sami Jenfi onye bibia he has not done anything. He has not done anything wrong. And I will ask him, say, he should never stop being a giver. We should be take care of him. Now, politics na you krumano. Yeah, and say, I could be cancelled for NDC home. Enti NDC ni bi ehun na men ni ndi agro. Na o kan ma for NDC wunim ono no tu no wunim o relationship. John Mahama ko Easter. Okoye no te say Akufo Addo aba. John Mahama as president of Ghana ne tu ne convoy kwa Akufo Addo. Anamwa. Enya Akufo Addo na ba as president aba me ko hwe no. Because Ebia
business forum.
Ebia no.
Business forum.
Ebia on politics no, they do not agree. But they have a personal relationship. Me wu ekosoro eba from Sami will be my friend. He will be my brother. I don't care what you think. Eduji Tamakro, menene boss, ewo issue. Eduji will never stop being my friend. It will never change. Justice Sremsai or your madam for ne boss or your deputy attorney. He is my friend. It will never change. You can't change anything. John Mahama is my friend, my brother, my boss, my everything. Opa, onko position there, Obeba power. Or your vice president of Ghana, he was my friend. He's still my friend. It won't change into war as party, you know. Men we say, Agrada, no, the NDC for Atamintino, NDC Nibia and any other for. What are you talking? Who food soldier no, my may catch food soldier for na mugu ono. Moti ho ye food soldier na mo kasa bebre. Omu di ejamu, NDC ni MPP, omu ya baako. Omu na fufuo wom. Enti gwen wo ho. What you say? Think about yourself.
The way the Cecilia
bo ba beto yen wo ho. Yen ne ebehwe ade no aka say okay emra no ampa ya change mra na yen say wudi president a obetumi edi akọ say obewu ana say say kura yen to aba wo ga ye betumi akọ parliament aye mra say Ghana kura yen to aba biom ya parliament betumi aye mra say Ghana yen to aba biom obene enti no say no but me preempt omo sorry omo bi ehun say enye John Mahama na abehye saa mra no eye mra da ho. It is a parliament approve ye the mraba na parliament approve say ampa ade we yasesa na enya the numbers to do it obeka say eye hwan na MPP for ye say speaker entiment to aba hefa no mde kokko ye say speaker betumi ato aba omo de mra na no mde call court omo say speaker betumi ato You see, levy no more the court. You see, birth certificate, you to me fan to aba, you bet me the atuaba from the court. I am Rakrona no more use. But every time you be use the same and money be pay. We see, hey, Dabi.
You say no more cases, I'm Rakrona, and I say, or one penny person seeking for interpretation, or most to say. One shot no more that interpretation that could mean so bit me as I am.
No, your court never interpret. You take Chrome here, you want a 9090. Court to Supreme Court at 90. Yet I say Akufo Addo call court a election petition 5 minutes near can we some coffee and coda. The nursing Juanjo or the free court to her or be if you bear press conference. One yantum or say Mejitum, I don't know may no more yard me, but Mejitum or the coffee, John Mahama or no so the election petition call. Yes, see Jim Mensa. Oh yeah, easy boss. Ombana yembi sana some MPP for said that yama jimensa nkasa wo court ho. Omo ye yama jimensa nkasa. Enya mrakro na. Na se du se NDC for the asa NDC for the Ghana ha edu omo so dia constitution no yema obi ntino opposition.
No easy no na kan se won kasa na se MPP na.
Omo defend omo make sure say yema jimensa nkasa wo court ho. You follow this case.
EC is an institution on its own.
They ensured that the electoral commissioner will never testify in that matter when cross-examine electoral commissioner. No.
But no right to do so. The constitution.
And no person obey. And our backing of one or more Musa time, and so they decided that they will not allow her. They will not allow the your friends opposition for no defense lawyers to cross-examine her, and they didn't. They used the same law. Intim pamocha emrana ye nipa ba akodia. Ye nyina ye dia.
But do you think say now the opposition party no feel say money yet come?
Say na 3 days ya mo feel say amra ye bibi. Na 3 days ya MPP also me permanent enemy. Me permanent friend.
Sir.
That be in terms of politics.
Okay.
Like now
real life.
Oh, real life them but politics me the permanent enemy, me permanent friend because I didn't know be couchna we be what you say me permanent enemy, me permanent friend. Asamna here can end down. 4 months here I'm opposition mo say obi person manipulating mrano. How many times ye Akufo Addo ye president o ye Charlotte say no and yet the same process here the chief justice suffers no the first ye Charlotte say yeah the petition by or say tenanchen na ye investigation obi no pamo no wa man a bicycle baako end of service benefit or money be Charlotte say went home after many years of working. She went home with nothing but pacho NDC for ne there o my appointees no sebe omo ye nipa Domlovo ye guma you find a way the pamo Domlovo you see you sumra.
So do you see it as a revenge?
Na Ghana na aye say no ye to abanasa wo party na wo ho no elusu election a obi a wo baby a park onioma this is yes because that is the system no krani ya ba ko pe ye kan ye omo ye kan ye mamu ye Charlotte say o mamu ye nipa ba ko ye ade wo Charlotte say case mu ye Kweku baako o kan ye no unu say ono de in some way no unu say or you aligned to them in some way
aligned to him for
to MPP for no but even he onu Kweku baako said it over and over say sadie we mamu ye nyina Ghana ha friends o de ye enti no
Ghana had
ye Charlotte say ye Charlotte say ye Domlovo ya kan mamu ye Domlovo auditor general mamu ye no they removed this man afidie nfiri aban mu no nipa no start say onu obeye ne dia o si hey adenti na ono de monye na MPP for no ye nipa chen NDC for na
but honorable say when it comes to the judiciary and a bit sensitive and I won't say
eya ko bisa Pope Benedict say time now onu free ho na Pope Francis ebaye no nipa na no Pope Benedict eye adwuma no na Pope Francis do me even Vatican Pope ya obe fa na nkrofo you can check obe resha for the nkrofo mu onu abe resha for nkrofo ofi so betum ni omo aye adwuma even Vatican enti no say mo aba power as MPP na mo feel say mo people that you can work with na mo yi nkrofo a but obi so aba onu so open nkrofo betum ni omo aye adwuma mo na ha nkrofo mo twasa esa na president na mo create ato no and no cause this problem.
Oh, so you think say they created?
Of course, the MPP for you no jataba no mkoto na achi omare. It is yes. Mo no maye yeti Ghana hey. Ayi Afarijan or your EC boss. Or your EC boss for so many years. Or the Rollins by power. Eddie Kufuor by power. Eddie MC John Mahama, right? Hey, Atta Mills.
No, after yes.
Or the Mills by power first time. Na then Ghana has a Ghana for so mon to abama one opa for ma me EC boss. Opa for we EC boss Ghana for beto abetia. And I don't know why people and politicians we don't learn. Oh, we don't learn. Whatever you do, what time so say Ghana for say mon to abama one opa wa gina hona kenkan aba no wa we candidate here EC ube lusu. So I don't know why you didn't be chichere ye hu bebre na yaya na afie beduru ha. This is where we are.
Okay. Me NSS.
Yeah.
Ghost names and niema wo if I want to explain.
On court. And Attorney General the salary and fan mame. I am not here to do his job for him. Abanya fan say on no investigating nyoma no fan court. And this a wo catch on so omo be bisa me na say wo salary a wo no meneche. Una woje salary say we do man no also me nkoka wo koka nya mema ye. And I stated clearly in my statement say adia mema ye. And I don't see where the problem is. Adia mema ye meka che Ghana fo nyina say ye Ghana fo mo fa nchemi o mayama de ne biom we makoye ade we makoye Ghana fo no man support here. So I'm not running away from anything or hiding anything. Me I'll be very transparent. Adia maya ne so bi no obi investigate obi there was no investigation anywhere. E ye nyoma e koso online social media and obi say yes anything. Nkofo say wakoye say intino yeah Hopeson also use media no at the kind of side of the story. Yeah, one no to organize a press conference. No so yeah then or me Kennedy because I say Kenya yeboa. And of course he's very innocent until proven guilty by a court. Who can be some nipa na so boa no so opportunity about Kennedy or UTV. Na say you organize UTV say UTV but nipa we so person or can some ye can throttle so don't we do it every day. Media house e Ghana apart from say nkofo betua so make come asem. How do they make money? Obi be advert oton ade. Obi wo problem of person kan. Obi set agenda setting newspaper wo hey ni nyina no bebre wo ha obi na setting agenda. And you know, if you come and tell me say obi say opese okokana the side of the story the media and that is how na me go NSS me ye more and say and there's nothing to hide. There is nothing to hide. The BNW be hide. I am a majority shareholder in one of the media houses that you know in this country. I am the majority shareholder and I stated clearly in my asset declaration that I am if I'm a majority shareholder in a media, not so be so issue or so issue media, I have every right to allow everybody to be heard. And I mean ko tombe papa fie em fe betua UTV say obi sin krofo kan ho asem na ye no kre na o pese moboa no na otchere na asem mu enti maybe the misike betua you will have to pay for the media. Tie
no na ye mom ne tua sika.
Of course na kan wan ne betua.
No, inti dia na unti no say why
I don't know inti me say obi ofil say my bibi biom no and na sa de na be say oh na kokan me na me ye ne say me kodidi papa penny na time or your papa penny inti me de me catch you say apart from that no bibi biom abeka
na necessary one na at
minim ho no kra de minim ni omo ye wo ho say chese afie no minim
you ka say nipa no want the voice to be heard into one man na nipa ben ya
dabi me like a witty way we advert bebre man crofo enti me betra TVs no be say I company ben and round in the meeting na almost say ombetua san no be say it's not proper what you say
who some buy that bontin you
na mpacho we advert no be that bontin that bontin anamua enti no there is no it's not right it's not proper the original guys on the nipa way no asem no na say me nim about NSS no obi oni bibi over go to kwame plus on here hwe uni bibi to put it out na mema ya no can say ya bobre bedri e could dim opinion atem enye fine ubetimi aka wasem no makanam de ato ho ubi say me bibi mu a because we men kan wasem case close ni pa bie ni ho a o chen apology e wo wiase
okay
enti no me side ne say asem bie ni wo betimi aka won't me find a nice way to go about it. what you say be betumi aka asem bia but how a wo be fa so aka no na nkwara bebre we yechi enti no me ye nipa so wo hwe me say osorobofo a wo be ka say me ye mistake but me so me ye mistake enti no the way na me dey present him asem no in terms of atemdidie ni ade na ewo mu no I was say ade no me ankasa no say me tumi ho fo say me jai but me ye nipa every time you know we to me see but I will make a say with many attorney general no the approach and the insult na woman no it was not right only people we are here I was one kasa we are there so when to me to ho for obi no betumi to for enti no as a human being no I was say wo no one kasa wadwen no wo situation on no to make say and that my yard be man ye ni and yes asem na me ka no anasa asem na say one kan wasem ye be say asem na wo kan nyina enti no and no mature statement we say look going to insult the man was not the best and distance and yes say ya for some level bia also to me one case to me two for now cut no maybe near koyenim obetumi aya the papa we have all the good intentions but so one cut no maybe na koye style once obi wo ho a oben opa wasem into own to me kan kire say kwame we o ya ye kampo nu afro no na kampo wa chacha enti no me ho for first it doesn't take anything away from you and say bibia but problem na akoba no na say I've explained na Ghana ha me nim say issue ba nkofo mpese obe explain ya esa na obi yan asama obe explain I never stated say or you corrupt or it and I keep saying that account that posted Sadia no it's a fake account on Twitter me active on Twitter and on
a Troy and someone
say he's corrupt and he's a thief and so no it's a fake account on Twitter. I'm dealing with my response to Anno press conference. And also, no, he was misled by that account, and or they call or they make his statement. But the reason why I attack Paul Adom and just one is because they only put on the cover from that fake account to go and use it on his show, to go and state on his show that member say Attorney General corrupt and a thief. How free now? All they would to make cause all this whole issue. Now the own person will be attack. On the coffee, and the man too saw it on the show and thought that it was true. So if you go and take something like this from a fake account and create this whole mess, now what's it all? Aye Pentecost Ghana Penny chairman, is a media church member. Me sorry no you be under from me and Kobe. Ain't you know 2 or more 4. And and the bufu ase onfen so message wi ase biom ochina no di ja be se Sodom and Gomorrah enti no na ya makan e nyina ya mo abo ye ho na mo obia nkofa de the problem beba because ye kan we ya ma me bufu a medwa enti ontu omofo sa akwa no so obomidin won the show no so na obeye sa de no obetwa ntro a me ye omade bia omontia ase eh me woni obi sa tie me metumi aka asem ba ko wo Ghana ha ye bebo don kran closing please obia nkofie mo obia mpie me
adiana adekodiana obeka
me se metumi aka of course la na Ghana ho nim ha chan metumi aka asem ba ko pro Ghana ye bebo don kran obia nkofie closing please obia nkoshe dem lockdown.
Does it mean the 500,000 bribery na no kre?
I'm not going into that. On one kasa, I'm not going into that issue. On press conference now, we hear the cancer. I was say, or no crown or say a code conduct on what's her press conference now. Say, me come as a minority for now we hear press conference. Bodua, obi anfa na yere ne mamodua. Say press conference omo ye nyina ye omo ntwa na. Omo tua ma henfo. Oh, twa kai. Me Ghana ha no krai pa na ye problem wo krom ha. Azan ni like omo ye press conference no. Omo de na emma bontin o. Say bia wa mo obiska. Enti mo nche sika. Mo am ye press conference no. Mon Jessica.
Omo chama hoyenfo.
Obi a wusia na MP me as MP. Se me be piano pa. This I will come bank on back the bia me hwe small note. Nti omo nya small note. I said that from say 2020 about 10 about because wonam kromu a abeya nom nkofo be sra wade you have to dash people.
But we don't say $1 so.
yen no obisika ya we ko wi abansika code of conduct na da ho na obi ade ye dede no ya tro wo mse wo che obi ade a ye be che na se wo koje ade a ne
ye che wade more than 20,000 is
no ye che se wo che obi ade a ye problem wo se yen yusu de na nkrofo mpese ye be yusu ade a ye friend se emra wa wo yusu code of conduct no code of conduct ye tro wo mse mo obi a nche obi ade me de me same je fi na me nhira no wa ya ade wa boa me eno me na ma na me hia me constituency fo bi na omo ba honorable ewie mu ye pe bi me say
mo pese e baby
unti ne aba sisi abanse ni nche ska me chebu ska wa ha ye de me be ko police bo ba cheme e te me de twetwa me ho
nti na mo nti mo de bo mo
na sisi me mo bi nche obi ade na say what be that obi enam no we share obi na wa che na de how the whole Ghana for 3 days your problem is say obi a che obi ade
but baby so mo gina mo de
me
yentu ya ne ka obeye ejuma no
yentu ya ne ka say sami jemfi before obeye ejuma no onte airport hills
so na ma for say sir
sami jemfi before obeye ejuma we NDC for ya de ma mo anya de NDC for mo anya you're throwing your own person under the bus the youth NDC for youth na mo social media me asama America no wo twerɛ wo social media nipa be 10 na be comment on be maybe the whole Ghana kwabrochi obi ahwɛ me ti me comedy no wi akodi matam
what do you mean so much throw
you are throwing your person under the bus NDC for nto mo pese mo kase sami jemfi ebecha ade wo krum ha gisi etua ne ka in the election all che motorbikes across the country no enu mo ehu ni etua ne ka wo go board
obi say na say on me nya position no odidi no wo position
okay me ba
no odidi
okay me ba the whole Ghana say no me hu say Kristo nti no kure ni krum anti say de dua bonko a media for mo krum ha nyina mo ka same jemfi asem obian bo dua say same jemfi emba TV so for 8 years in opposition a okwa wa sort boys in out same jemfi sort everybody out media ni bia be kan bibia wa bo hu dua because we dibi before same jemfi beba power mo nka no kure me same jemfi ohia no che biska ba kan wa so eno me hu same oche biska wa wonti ase no
so so be kan sa na wo san de no san kwa
na wa che biska more media for no na mo nka no kure na me hu na mo story we na ba etimi trigger nipa na yakeka nsem na Kennedy Agyapong de woni ne yade obekọ akoka woni obi wunim se woni obi ekowi aponche wi a wo ka kire nkofo nsa akọ we open ponche wi a eni aponche wi abete
yenyina ne yakwa
yenyina ekowi aponche wi a wona ma se abena de the wi open ponche wi a de eni aponche wi abete men koka sa abena de woni ne yade na wakoka wo so koka sa asem ne ye den obi eni ho a pure water special ICB nam the veins obi aye nipa obi a obebi amekoko a eye ne ya which as a media from okrom ha nyina all of you for 8 years in opposition me fie ha kan ha me fie ni mumbo bia say sami jemfi emba studio a ansa sami be fi ho no everybody will be sorted. That is sami jemfi's life. Everybody for 8 years in opposition there obi we media ni na sami jemfi unya an encounter with him beka hey na mo de obi chese mo pese obi a ti hono na dwe nyina se otwen obi down for sami jemfi and hwiase a good one here bema na ye den.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.